Hi dear students, welcome you all to another session of Brainiacs doubt clearance. Okay, so today we have one of a good question here actually. So you could read the question. The question given here is calculate the equivalent weight of nitrogen and ammonia from the below given chemical equation. Okay, so here first time we are dealing with a concept called equivalent weight. So for those students who doesn't know any much idea of equivalent weight, I will give you some intro that will help you to understand this question. So we will say equivalent weight of a substance. What is basically equivalent weight of an element? I can write it like equivalent weight, okay, equivalent weight of an element I can say it is that mass, equivalent weight of an element is that mass, okay, is that mass that will react or I can say displace. Both are correct. Displace means it will be generated. That will react or displace. Many definitions are there. I can say 1 gram of hydrogen, or it can be 8 gram of oxygen, okay, or 35.5 gram of chlorine, or we can say 108 gram of silver, okay, or even I can say 80 gram of bromine, okay, 80 gram of bromine. Now which equation will suit you here? Now I need to find the equivalent weight of nitrogen and ammonia. So here what they have given is hydrogen, so we will go with the definition of hydrogen, okay, so we will go with the definition of hydrogen. So this is what we are going to use for finding the equivalent weight. Now listen here. So as per the equation, nitrogen N2 means how much gram? N2, you know that N2 is 28 gram, correct? So 28 gram nitrogen, correct? And you could see 3 moles of hydrogen. So H2 means 2 grams. So 2 into 3, 6 grams. So I can say 6 gram of hydrogen, correct? 28 gram of nitrogen and 6 gram of hydrogen gives ammonia. Ammonia, nitrogen 14 plus 3, 17. 17 into 2, 34. So I can say 34 gram of ammonia. Okay, this is what we know actually. Now how we will proceed? Now we know that first we will calculate the equivalent weight of nitrogen. Okay, so equivalent weight of nitrogen, we will calculate it. So tell me, as per my definition, if I want to find the equivalent weight of nitrogen, I need to say that equivalent weight of nitrogen is that mass that will react with how much gram of hydrogen? 1 gram of hydrogen. So as per this balanced chemical equation, what we know that 28 gram nitrogen reacts with 6 gram of hydrogen, correct? But we need to know with 1 gram of hydrogen how much amount of nitrogen is reacting. Then that mass is my equivalent mass of nitrogen. So to convert this into 1 gram, what we should do? Divide by 6 on both sides. So dividing by 6, this will become what? 1 gram hydrogen. So you divide it on both sides. So this will become what? 28 divided by 6 gram nitrogen, correct? So this 28 by 6 means it will become 14 by 3. So I can say equivalent weight of nitrogen here is 14 divided by 3. Okay, so I can say equivalent weight of ammonia. That is what we are going to calculate. Equivalent weight of ammonia. Now, as per the equation, tell me how hydrogen and ammonia is reacting. So I can say 6 gram hydrogen produces 34 gram ammonia, correct? But if you want to find the equivalent weight of ammonia, I need to know with 1 gram of hydrogen how much gram of ammonia is reacting. So how to convert this into convert to 1 gram, divide by 6 on both sides, correct? So this will become divide, okay, divide. So this will become 1 gram hydrogen, and what will happen to this one? 34 by 6 gram ammonia. Now this value will become my equivalent weight. Why? Because this value is, or this mass is what it is reacting with 1 gram of hydrogen. So this will come around how much? 17 by 3. So we can say equivalent weight of ammonia NH3 is equal to 17 divided by 3. So please remember that equivalent weight is a variable quantity, whereas the molecular weight or atomic weight is a fixed quantity. Okay, so I hope you understood the question. If you have any doubt, get back to us. If you have liked the explanation, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.